Tell me how we got so far. You've been here, but I don't know who.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back. I'm so sorry. So yeah, today I'm gonna be filming a chit chat get ready with me, as you can see by the title. I want to just sit down and talk to you guys about some things that have been going on and just do my makeup and make myself look pretty. Ooh. Yeah, let's just get into it. I've already moisturized my face, so I'm just gonna be priming a little bit. Everything will be in the description down below. So the reason I didn't post for like 3 or 4 weeks now is really simple. I had finals. So basically what happened was, well, first I was sick for like a week and a half, and then I started my finals, and it was just a very stressful month. I also work, and I didn't know if I would have enough time to study. I didn't know if I was gonna do well, and I was just like all over the place. I was not in a good place to film, and I didn't just want to upload or whatever. I did, however, film some videos. I just seriously didn't even have time to edit them. They are gonna come soon, but first I just wanted to talk to you guys. But thank God it's almost over. I'm gonna be finishing this week, but all my hard work did pay off because most of my teachers told me that I did very, very well and was one of the best in class. Yay me! So yeah, I guess it was worth it. I really missed filming, and it's just, yeah, it's been annoying. So yeah, sorry for not posting, but I'm sure you guys understand how stressful finals or exams or whatever you're dealing with is. Yeah, it's hard. Now I'm just putting some concealer on. I'm just dabbing that right here to hide my tiredness. So on another note, these past few months have been really great. I've met a lot of new people, and I've become really great friends with a lot of them, and just, it's great. Really value these new friendships, for real. You know who you are. I've been to these like vegan festivals and like found my people. But yeah, the only thing that I wish I could change is the fact that I work. It's just I wish I could use that time for something else, like filming, doing a lot more productive stuff, but that's not how the world works. You gotta pay your rent. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Just gonna take a contour stick and lightly gonna contour. I'm seriously not even going anywhere. I'm just gonna go to school after. By the way, a kind of college day in my life will be up in a couple days, and a lot of you have shown an interest in going to the school that I go to, so I figured it would be a nice video to film. I'm very excited. Summer's already here in Greece, as you can see from the sweat, and I'm just excited to go to the beach, get tan, just chill, and just make videos. Just make videos. It's just my dream to just make videos. So I'm applying all my like liquids first. So liquid highlighter. So I'm just gonna be blending this in with my finger. This is the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector, and it's so good. I just love the glow. Bruh. What? Okay. I don't know if I should talk about this, but some of you guys already know. It actually happened like months ago, but me and my ex broke up, and boy, I don't really want to talk about it a lot because it was stupid, but I mean, no tea, no shade. It's all good. What I've learned is never get back with your ex if you break up. There's obviously a reason why you're breaking up, and do not ignore red flags, for fuck's sake. Because I remember feeling weird for a very long time and I didn't do anything about it until it became really shitty. So, of course, try to make it work, but after a certain point, there's not much you can do. But yeah, at the end of the day, we were very, very different people. I'm very glad we broke up because now I feel more, free and like, not like he was controlling or anything, just that I can finally be more myself. So far, it's been great because I am able to kind of just focus on myself and my things, my life, and just grow as a person. So yeah, right now I'm just at a point in my life where I just want to work hard for what I want. Oh my god, I'm so sweaty. And yeah, I am actually dabbing the sweat away with my beauty blender. Damn. My hair is so great. Sorry, but I did not want to do anything with my hair today. Okay, so I'm just gonna intensify this highlight a little bit. Just a little. I really want to thank you guys because during this month I really got so much love from you guys. It was unreal. Just messages out of nowhere like I support you no matter what and like I love you, and I'm just like, just the love that you guys give me is so amazing and I'm so grateful for it. Let me spray my face for a sec because right now I'm a sweaty little cake. Woo! And of course, we can't forget the ultimate combo that I always do. This is the NYX Liquid Suede in Soft Spoken. And I just have lips now. Thank you for being here with me through thick and thin. And I love you guys very, very much. So I will see you in my next video, which will probably be up in a couple days too, after this one. So make sure you have your notifications on so you can get notified when I post that video. That's all I had to say. Thank you so much for watching. I love you, and I'll see you next time. Okay. Bye. Da, da, da.